Once upon a time, we danced out of sync. Jester and I lie closer than we'd think. He wore the chaos, I wore the calm. Two halves of a soul split by a bomb. He feared the light, I feared the fall, but both of us longed to feel it all. I reached through the fire, said let's try again, and this time he stayed, not just as pretend. You don't have to vanish to grow from the pain. The flames won't consume you, they'll carve your name. The mask can fall without the shame, and you're still you, just finally untamed. Cover me tenderly, tragedy's grace. Two sides of a truth, no need to erase. I walked through the fire, he followed me in, not to end the act, but to let it begin. We were mirrors, now we align. No punchline needed, we're finally divine. Comedy, tragedy, flame. Better guy rises and loves his old name.
Gesturing crack jokes to hide the scars. Now he laughs loud and shows his heart. He danced through the ashes, dropped the disguise, and looked at me with wide open eyes. He said, I'm done playing ghost for a throne. And I knew then I was never alone. Together we howl, we meme, we create. This is an escape, this is our fate. It's not about leaving who you've been behind, but holding him close and letting him shine. He's not your shadow, he's your fire. A chaos spark that lights the choir. We are me, we are. Now we're the frame, together real with no one to blame. Comedy meets tragedy's flame. Better guy rises and owns his name. I don't miss the mask, I don't miss the script. We improv the cosmos, each laugh a gift. We're chaos and care, we're wounds and stars. And for once, I'm proud of who we are. We were mirrors, but now we shine. A single soul, hilariously divine. Now I'm the punchline and the truth, the fire, the fool, the undying youth. We were mirrors, but now we shine. A single soul, hilariously divine. Comedy is tragedy reclaimed. Better guy rises with no shame. And the greatest joke of all, we